Welcome back to Buy Smart, where today we're diving deep into the steamy world of cleaning. That's right. Today we're comparing the classic BISSELL Steam Mop on my left and the fancy schmancy BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop on my right. Spoiler alert, one of these mops might just steamroll the competition. Grab your rubber gloves and hold on tight because it's about to get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop is priced at a cool $92. Reviewers have found it to be reasonably priced and effective at cleaning, especially for its cost. Meanwhile, the Powerfresh Slim is strutting its stuff at $164. While some reviewers appreciate the added features, others question if the higher price is justified. Overall, the classic model seems to offer great value for those on a budget, while the Powerfresh Slim appeals to those willing to invest a bit more for versatility. Now let's talk about sanitization. Because who doesn't want to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria? Both mops promise to do just that. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop has received praise for effectively cleaning grime, especially on older surfaces like grout. Meanwhile, the Powerfresh Slim not only sanitizes but also doubles as a handheld steam cleaner, making it a favorite for tackling tough spots. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in various cleaning tasks, but also mention it can become heavy over time. If you're thinking of tackling those pesky germs in tight corners, you might want to consider the Powerfresh Slim. Speaking of versatility, the Powerfresh Slim is the mop of many talents. It comes with an extension tube and a toolbox of attachments, making it a favorite among users for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers have highlighted its ability to clean kitchen counters and carpets, which adds to its appeal. Meanwhile, the classic steam mop is great at its primary function, but lacks the extensive features of the Slim. Users appreciate its straightforward design, but it's not as multifunctional as the Powerfresh Slim. Let's talk about heating time. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which users find to be quick enough for most cleaning tasks. Reviewers have noted that it heats up fast, allowing them to start cleaning without long waits. The Powerfresh Slim also heats up quickly, but with all those attachments, some users feel it takes longer to decide which tool to use. This can lead to a bit of indecision, although once it's ready, it's effective in cleaning. Overall, both mops are relatively quick, but the classic is praised for its simplicity. Now, let's talk about odors. The classic steam mop comes with odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which reviewers love for leaving their floors smelling fresh and clean, almost like a spa experience. On the other hand, the Powerfresh Slim doesn't specifically mention scent options, but many users feel that the steam itself is sufficient for odor elimination. While the classic mop provides that added fragrance, the overall cleaning power of both seems to leave homes smelling better after use. In summary, both mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The classic BISSELL Steam Mop is often praised for its affordability and effectiveness, especially in cleaning grout and hard floors. Meanwhile, the Powerfresh Slim is recommended for its versatility and range of attachments, although some users find it heavy over time. Each mop caters to different cleaning needs, making them both valuable options in the steam mop market. So which mop wins the steam showdown? If you're looking for a classic, budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the BISSELL Steam Mop is your guy. But if you're ready to invest a little more for versatility and tools that'll make your cleaning game strong, the Powerfresh Slim might just be worth it. Remember, whether you go for the classic or the fresh, you're still one step closer to a cleaner home, and that's something to steam about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.